have the cell body. This is the nucleus. This is the axon all the way. This is the axon, and these are not these ones, not the plastic things. These ones are dendrils. So these are the dendrils. What are the plastic things that you get? These are the kind of, not synaptic envelope, but these are the axon terminals of the of another neuron. Do you remember that the first neuron is called presynaptic neuron and the other one is called postsynaptic neuron? So these are the axon terminals of the presynaptic neurons. They have made the synapses, a lot of synapses with this neuron, right? So the plastic things are not dendrites. These are the axon terminals of the presynaptic neuron, and these are dendrites. Okay, let's see what else we can see here. So you guys remember that the inside the cell body you have the cytoplasm, and then inside the cytoplasm you have some organelles. For example, here, what are these organelles here in blue purple with dots on them? Endoplasmic reticulum. What type of it? Rough or smooth?
Rough.
Rough. How do you know that this is rough?
Ribosomes.
So what are the red things?
Ribosomes.
Ribosomes. So this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, guys, in the cytoplasm has the specific name. We call them Nissen bodies. So these are Nissen bodies. Nissen bodies is the special name that we have for the rough endoplasmic reticulum inside the cytoplasm. And this one is what? Smooth one. That's purple or blue like this one, but it doesn't have the ribosome on the surface. So this is the smooth one. What are the red ones? Do you remember Golgi apparatus? What's the function of it? That's the UPS. The post UPS, that's true. It takes the proteins from the rough ER and then sends them to the different parts of the cell, right? So the red ones are the Golgi apparatus. What are the yellow ones? Do you remember the round, the small structures? I said that we call them lysosomes, and they have a lot of enzymes, so these are the lysosomes. Anyway, the things which is important here, and you have to know, are Nissen bodies. The Nissen bodies are the special type of the rough endoplasmic area in the neuron. Okay, let's see, what else do we have here? So this is the cell body. This is where the cell body connects to the axon. This is your axon, huh? So this area here is called axon hillock. This is your axon hillock, right? And this is the first part of the axon, and then it continues here. What do you have around the axon here in yellow? The layers. This is the myelin sheath. Does the myelin sheath continue all the way? You have some gaps. The gaps are called nodes of Ranvier, or simply you can call them nodes. So this is the node of Ranvier or node, right? And these are the layers of the myelin sheath. This is the nucleus of which cell? What is the cell which is responsible for myelination in PNS?
PNS is
PNS.
Schwann cell.
That's the nucleus of the Schwann cell. Who is responsible for myelination in the CNS? Oligodendrocyte cell. So this is the nucleus of the Schwann cell. The Schwann cell is responsible to make the myelin sheath around the axon for you. What are these things inside the axon? Thank you. These are mitochondria. They're responsible for making ATPs, providing energy. So this is axon. This is axon. This is axon. This is axon hillock. Myelin sheath, node, and the nucleus of the Schwann cell. This is another node here. And then what is this layer around the axon? You know that. The very thin layer?
Endomysium.
Endonurium. That's the endonurium that you have around the axon. And then look inside here where you have the product. And again, this is the nucleus of the Schwann cell. And I think that's all that we can see here on this model. So you have the picture like this in your exercise 16. Make sure that you label it and you do the rest of the exercise 16. I will not